For athletes who rely on throwing motions, whether on the field, court, or diamond, our throwing assessment is designed to help you improve performance and reduce the risk of injury. Our throwing assessment is perfect for those already performing at a high level, and the throwing prep screen is for athletes restarting their throwing journey. Throwing is a complex movement that requires coordination, strength, and precision. Our comprehensive assessment focuses on every aspect of your mechanics to ensure you're throwing efficiently and safely. We begin with a detailed motion analysis. Using 3D motion capture technology, we capture your throwing motion in real time, allowing our specialists to identify any inefficiencies or areas of stress in your mechanics. In addition to motion analysis, we evaluate your strength, stability, and mobility. These elements are critical to optimizing your throwing performance and protecting key areas like the shoulder and elbow from overuse injuries. Our team also considers your sport, position, and training goals. This allows us to provide detailed recommendations that align with your specific needs and aspirations. Based on your assessment results, we create a personalized program to enhance your throwing technique, build strength, and improve overall performance. Whether you're recovering from an injury or looking to elevate your game, we're here to support you every step of the way. At Midwest Orthopedics at Rush, we're committed to helping athletes of all levels perform at their best.